Ok, entonces, bienvenido a una clase. Tipos de herramientas. Dos. Types of tools. Types of tools. Tools are perfect. Herramientas. E más. Perfect. Okay, so. Primero, tenemos spirit level. Spirit level. Nivel de burbuja. Spirit level. Paint. Pintura. Pintura. See, paint. Pintura. Let's try and get a picture. Paint. Aha. Yeah, más o menos. Paint. And paintbrush. Paintbrush. Pincel. Pincel. Paintbrush. Let's move that. Paint and paint brush. Paintbrush. Paintbrush. Whoops, not that one. And roller. Rodillo. 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 To roll paint on the wall. Rodillo. And avion. De verdad, avion. Plane. But the plane is more for hacer la superficie suave. Suave. Hacer la superficie del escritorio más suave. Plane. Making it smooth. Make the surface smooth. Yeah. Very good. And we have trowel. Paleta. Paleta e tijeras. So paleta e tijeras. Shears, but like big scissors. Let's try and get a picture. Like big scissors. Shears. And a trowel. 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 And the spade. Yeah, let's get a picture of spade. Spade. Oh, wow, really? Okay, right. Okay, no picture of spade, right? Spade, pala, an azadon, a hoe is an azadon for raking. The hoe, and the hoe, and then there's the rake. The rake, rastrillo, the rake. Yeah. Útil para las granjas. Then we have a fork, like a tenedor grande, a big fork. But not quite the same. Horquilla. Horquilla, the fork. Okay, muy bien, like a really big fork. Here we are, like a pitchfork. Really, a pitchfork. I would say pitchfork. Very good. And then wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Carretilla. Wheelbarrow. No barrow. Okay, yeah. So let's break that word down. Wheel. Wheelbarrow. So the wheels. Pneumáticos, and barrow, to pick something up. Very good. Wheelbarrow. Then hose. Manguera. Hose for the water. Let's have a look. Hose. No, hose. Okay. So like water, here we are. Very good. The hose. And we have sprinkler. More water is being given out. Water. Aspersor. A sprinkler. Aspersor. And lastly, lawnmower. So it'd say corte césped. So we have the grass. Maybe? No, not quite. Okay. Well, we have scissors. Lawnmower to cut the grass. Here we are. To cut the grass. There we are. Yeah. I'll call this that, a lawnmower. Very good. Okay, so spirit level, nivel de burbuja, paint, paintbrush, roller, plane, make it soft, trowel, shears, spade, the hoe and the rake, very similar things, the fork, pitchfork, the wheelbarrow, the hose, the hose, sprinklers, and lawnmower to cut the grass, corte el césped. Very good. So, tú puedes seguirme en YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, and también puedes encontrarme en Udemy, porque tengo más clases de inglés ahí. Yeah. Vamos a continuar explorando.